Baykar's K2 Kamikaze UAV and Mosquito loitering munition made their field debut in a demonstration activity in Keşan. Their AI-powered swarm autonomy and GNSS-independent mission capabilities were particularly noteworthy. The projects that the Turkish defense industry is carrying out with the vision of Turkey as century are becoming a reality one after another. Baykar's newly developed next-generation unmanned systems have begun showcasing their capabilities in the field. The K2 Kamikaze UAV and the Mosquito loitering munition offered important clues about the future of combat concepts during tests conducted in Keşan district of Edirne. Coordinated flight through flock autonomy. During a demonstration held at the Keşan Flight Training and Test Center, 5 K2 Kamikaze UAVs performed consecutive takeoffs in a short period of time. The platforms flew in line, V, right stage, and Turan formations, while 10 Mosquito munitions were integrated into the swarm structure. Bayraktar TB2, Bayraktar TB3, and Bayraktar Akıncı drones also accompanied the operation, monitoring the process from the air. GNSS independent mission capability. One of the most critical topics highlighted in the demo was the solutions developed to counter electronic warfare environments. Thanks to the AI-powered visual navigation system, the platforms were able to determine their position and perform missions even without global navigation satellite systems. This feature ensures operational continuity in areas with intense signal jamming, target detection, and autonomous attack. The demonstration simulated scenarios where munitions coiled around mosquitoes dived towards designated targets. A K2 UAV separating from the swarm and heading towards the target at high speed demonstrated the system's autonomous attack capability. Mosquito, deep operational capability. The new generation loitering munition, Mosquito, stands out with its range exceeding 1,000 kilometers. Thanks to AI-powered communication, the platform can share data in real time with other elements within the swarm. Capable of operating even under challenging electronic warfare conditions, the system stands out in strategic operations with its high level of autonomy. To be exhibited for the first time at Field 2026. The K2 Kamikaze UAV and Mosquito-shaped munitions will be introduced to the public for the first time as part of Saha 2026 in Istanbul between May 5th to 9th. Baykar, which develops all its projects with its own resources, maintains its global leadership in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles. While the company has generated a large portion of its revenue from exports in recent years, it continues to be one of Turkey's most important players in the defense and aerospace sector.